What we're going to do today is fill the depression that we see on the right side here. So this is called the pre-jowl sulcus. So jowl, pre-jowl means in front of the jowl, sulcus means a hollowing area. But then we're also going to fill this area over here. We're going to put a little bit of voluma to give structure to this part of the chin. And we're going to fill in this void as well. So these changes have been caused by a car accident that caused a shifting of the whole jawline. And surgery has been done twice, and we're much better off now than we were. Look at the before and after picture from previous a year or two ago to now. We're dramatically better. We've treated a lot of the scarring already with injection of dermal fillers. And now we're just going to just change things minorly, just change the structure in a minor way to smooth things out.